There's a point in exercising where you are not allowing yourself enough time to recover, and there are probably people much more qualified to answer those questions than me. So what's your problem there, sir?
You're in the way.
Yeah, I'm allowed to be in this lane, sir.
A full lane?
Yeah, full lane. Yeah, I'm not required to use that. You are, however, required to grow a set of impatience. I don't even know what that means. Grow a set of patience, that's what I meant to say. Oh boy. I can't word when I've had this much beer and ice cream.
Okay, you don't need to word.
That guy needs to learn his goddamn traffic law. That's what needs to happen.
That'll probably be helpful if you know.
He was mad that I was in the traffic lane, I think. He was upset. He had to slow down for a few seconds in order to get to a red light slightly faster than us. Goddamn people.